Hello, and this is tutorial number 4 for Nyblit, and I'm going to be taking you through a nice simple little feature called repeated tasks. And this is just so you can schedule regular repeated tasks to fire at a regular frequency. So a very common use case might be take medicine. And as we've just been talking about categories, let's apply a medication category to this. If I tap here on the menu and go to additional options, I have a make repeating option. So as you can see, the task description is take medicine, the category is medication, and the task status that will be applied when this task is created will be take, as in take medicine, because that's the status I've applied to the in progress disposition for take medication workflow. You don't have to have a category for repeated tasks, by the way. You can just leave it blank and it will just go into in progress. We're not putting it into a particular project. We want it to repeat daily, every 1 day. And 9 AM is actually perfect, and there's no end date, and we'll give ourselves a deadline. Let's say that we have to take it by 3 PM, and we'll add it to Apple Calendar, and we'll give ourselves a notification when it's created. And Nyblit is just showing us the next 3 occurrences here, 5th of Jan, 6th Jan, 7th of Jan, just to show us, just so we can confirm that we've created everything correctly. So when you're ready with all your choices, just hit create. And there we go. We've got take medicine daily. So this repeated task will stay here all the time in not started. And every day a new identical task will be created or spawned, as I like to say, into in progress with the status take for take medication, which is the selected category. That's it. It's a nice simple little feature, but worth going over, really useful. And in the next lesson, we're going to be talking more about some slightly more advanced features for categories. So we'll go over that next. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying using Nyblit. Thank you.